Hey friends, so today we're gonna be making a cake. So
starting we have to be
put
there
in
flour.
So you need 2 cups and 1/4 of flour.
Yes, 2 cup and 1/4 flour. And fold.
Papa. Next we need
Baking powder.
How much do we need?
3 teaspoon baking powder. One.
And then 3
2 and 1 more spoon. Yep, got it. 3 teaspoons.
Now what do we need?
And then 1 cup sugar. 1 cup.
Of sugar.
And then
Get that sugar. Okay.
1 cup and then tot 1 cup
Of sugar.
sugar. Yes.
Next.
And then we need a half teaspoon salt. So it means just a little bit salt.
Half a teaspoon. Then
And then butter.
butter. How much do we need? A half cup of
Half
butter.
cup of butter. Okay.
Got it. Then
1 cup milk.
1 cup of milk. Then
2 teaspoons vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Two eggs.
2 eggs.
Don't forget to preheat your oven.
Yeah.
Okay, we got it. All ingredient in here, and
Now we
mix it.
mix it all up. Ooh, it smells like vanilla cake already.
You love having fun. Yeah. You want to put in the chocolate chip or something?
Yeah, let's put in
Yes.
some chocolate chips.
Okay, first you have to be so really mixing together. Yeah.
Mix, mix, mix. Right.
Are you playing?
I'm mixing it. So next we put in some some chocolate chips. Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, that's good enough.
All the chocolate chips sink to the bottom.
And then go take it your tray. Which one you want to put it there?
We're gonna have these little mini train cakes.
Okay. First,
We spray
it.
them.
Yeah. Yes, enough.
Okay. So next, we pour the batter in. We pour the batter in.
Not too full, okay?
Cause when you bake it, it'll rise up.
Okay, go take a spoon, boy.
So we can put some chocolate chips in because none of them went in.
Okay. Another one. Yes, it is. Another one.
There's a lot of chocolate chips at the bottom. They all just want to sink to the bottom. There's... Okay. Okay.
Yes. Good enough to go to the oven.
Yeah, let's go put it in the oven. So when you cook it, you need to cook it at 350 degrees and 35 minutes.
Yeah.
And it will look like this.
So
you need to let it cool for a little while.
a little while cold waiting. So it smells really good and look delicious.
Yes.
Choo-choo!
And then we're gonna decorate it with some sprinkles and some icing. Well, it's gonna be chocolate icing though.
Okay, wait a little minute to close down. Ta-da!
Okay, friends, they're all cooled, but it didn't turn out so good. So it's better to use a pan like this.
Yeah. This pan is not really good and really stick inside, baby. We use a better is a little bit, that's why. But taste is really good.
So first I'm gonna try one without.
Really delicious, right? Oh my gosh, you can't stop. Okay, let's make cereal. Chocolate covered. Ooh. Yay.
Chocolate syrup.
Yeah, stop. It's much. And then a little bit sprinkle. Yay! Yay! Steven, you back.
And that's my little brother. That's my little brother.
Yay! This is it. Look at this. Oh, you put it to my sprinkle.
What?
You want to
what
eat
is-
a boy?
Okay, now time for the
You
try.
need a spoon. You need a spoon.
Yeah, I need a spoon for this one.
It's good. Really good.
This is good cake.
Daddy, you want to try? How about your little brother? You want to try?
Want to try a little piece? Olivia, you want to try? So that's the end of the video. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye bye.
Yummy yum.